JD's Workshops has been fantastic. We've learned about video cards, promotions, Facebook advertising. We've also learnt that as we get ideas and things like that, we now have a lot of people around us to help us bring those to fruition. So now we've not got the ideas, but we've also got the tools to implement them in our business and increase sales. So it's been fantastic. Recommend it to everyone.
The last 2 days' content at JD's conference has been absolutely brilliant. Totally up-to-date Facebook hints and ways to implement them, and also great speaking on copy, and also some great guest speakers as well.
It's definitely been very valuable. Obviously, Facebook Live and checking all the bits and pieces yesterday. There's a lot of stuff that we haven't been implementing in our business, and we will take a lot of this direct marketing into it, obviously in the future. So it's been very, very good.
Hi, JD's Workshops really showed us how to turn the Facebook into a sales tool.
I found JD's Workshop to be fantastic. One thing that we're already doing a lot on Facebook, but there's so much more we can do. But one of the things that really stood out to me that we need to focus on in our business is the competence and training of our own staff to increase the value to our customers. So that's been great for me as well.
Well, I've never laughed so much and learnt so much in the same time. I'm in the event industry, and I'm walking away with a whole bucket load of ideas to increase my turnover.
I've spent the weekend here at JD's Workshop. It's been fantastic. One of the challenges for our business has been really connecting up with our target market and finding out what makes them tick, and how we can implement successful Facebook strategies and other media as well, so that we can get some good outcomes for our customers and also ourselves. Yeah, we've found being a member in this environment has been fantastic. Before we kind of flatlined, and now with JD's Pixie Dust, we've really turned around and we're starting to get some traction.